here.
Good day, sir.
CHIDINMA, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, come on. Wow, good to see you. This is the Igbo niche perfume lady, right?
Yes, sir.
Odogwu and Achalugo.
Yes, sir.
It's so nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Now, let me say this to you. You see, I bought Odogwu from you and Achalugo actually,
Yes,
right?
sir.
I bought the two. And I used Odogwu the other day, and my honest feedback, without any bias, is that Odogwu is one of the finest perfumes I've ever used.
Thank you so much, sir.
It is so classy that honestly, I'm just being honest, I'm not being biased. I say it again. Every typical Igbo man who is proud of himself, or any man at all who is proud of being a man, should go and try that perfume. How did you do that? No, honestly, I want you to tell, how did you come about this whole thing? Who taught you how to make perfumes like that?
So I've always known how to make perfumes, diffusers, so just ventured into it. I wanted to promote my culture through perfumes, through scents, to tell our stories.
And you decided it was going to be Igbo niche perfume.
Yes.
In Nigeria of today. I mean, was it so easy? Did people immediately embrace it? I mean, what happened when you started?
Well, even my mom was like, I should do Yoruba, Hausa, and Igbo. But I said, no, I want to do Igbo. I'm proud of my culture. And I want to promote my culture globally. So this perfume is not only for Igbos, it's for everybody. Now,
I made a promise to you that I am going to be one of the first persons to invest in your business, to help you to grow. I'm not going to tell you any lies. I don't even know how I'm going to do that. I've done one or two things from a distance. Now I'm seeing you. Maybe you can tell me exactly how a man like me can be of help to you. Because there are so many like me out there who want to see young Igbo girls like you prosper and do well. We want to support our own. We've supported people who are not even Igbos, not to talk of our own. How can we possibly help you to scale this particular venture?
So now we're working on relaunching our perfume, changing the name, the narrative. So we want to get our story out there, want to increase our market reach, and we have GoFundMe available. We're trying to get people to support and invest in this product, in this business.
Wait. You have launched a GoFundMe account.
Yes, sir.
You want people from all over the world,
yes,
especially our people, to support you, to donate, so that you can expand the business.
Yes.
That is a fantastic idea. Like I would have suggested that. I can't believe you already did that. Do you have a short video that tells your story of how you started? Because with GoFundMe, people always want to connect with their story. Okay.
Yes.
Do you have a video that tells your story? I will be one of the first persons to publish it. Do you have?
We already have a video, documentary ready already. Yes.
You have a documentary?
Yes.
About your story?
Yeah, it's already ready.
Oh my God. Okay, so what I will do now, I don't like making promises, but what I will do now is I am going to, of course, make my little contribution to support your business.
Thank you so much.
I am going to publish, in fact, your documentary on all my social media platforms.
Thank you so
and
much.
I need you to give me the information of your GoFundMe account. I will publish it, and I'm going to help to talk to as many people as possible so that our people can rally around you and support this. Because honestly, if what you were doing is mediocre, I wouldn't be bothered. I use the perfume. I am being very honest. The perfume, I mean, I'm a sucker for perfumes, right? I use a lot of big brands, like massive brands, a lot of them. When I used Odogwu, it was unbelievable. So I think you need to be supported. And I'll do my best to help you scale this, okay?
Yes, I really appreciate it. I have something for you.
I already bought something and you give it. Woo! Here we go. Odogwu again. My favorite. Wow. Thank you. CHIDINMA.
Yes, sir.
You are a strong woman. God bless you, Chidinma. Keep it up. And promise me that when you scale and you become a big company, that you're also going to look at other people. There are so many Igbo girls and boys out there looking for something to do. And not just only Igbos, anybody who needs help. But we need to start from our own because ndị Igbo sị na na esi n'ụlọ mara mma pụọ n'ama. Charity begins at home. You are going to see how Igbos will use money to reshape your face. I'm telling you, I know my people. They will support you, but you have to make a commitment to, this is your camera, right? Make a commitment to everybody that when you become big, you are not going to leave our people behind. Are you making that commitment in front of me and in front of the whole world?
Yes, I am. Because I'm not going to get to where I'm going to alone. It takes a village. So obviously I'm going to help people.
To raise this child.
Yeah, I'm going to help people, business-wise, every other thing.
And otherwise.
Yeah.
God bless you, man. Wow. Thank you so much for coming to see me in my little place.
Thank you.
I did not understand identity until I left home. Serving in Gombe changed me. Before then, being Igbo wasn't something I had to think about. It just was. It was in the way we spoke, the food we ate, the way our elders corrected us without raising their voices, and in the rhythm of the festivals. And then I went north, and everything familiar disappeared. The language was different, the customs were different, and even the silence felt different. And for the first time, I felt like a stranger in my own country, and I didn't like that feeling. So I started holding on to the little things. I would speak Igbo whenever I could. Sometimes just a word, Ogene, Ochim, nothing dramatic, just enough to remind myself that I was still anchored. And then one day, someone turned and asked, "Are you Igbo?" And honestly, I couldn't even explain the way I felt at that moment. It was as if someone opened a window in a room that I didn't even know was choking me. And that's when it all sunk in, that identity was not decoration. It was grounding. And once you feel what grounding does to your spirit, you stop apologizing for it. When I decided to build my perfume brand, I remembered Gombe. I would have chosen a safer route, neutral name, global aesthetic, something that blended so easily. But I kept on thinking about that question in Gombe. Are you Igbo? About that recognition. So I created an Igbo-themed niche perfume. Not to exclude anyone, not to ruffle any feather, but to make recognition possible. I wanted someone somewhere to pick up a bottle and feel seen, just the way I felt seen in that market years ago. When it went viral, I wasn't prepared for what followed. The backlash hurt. People called it tribalistic. They asked why I had to center on Igbo identity, as if heritage needed permission. And for a moment, I questioned myself. Not because they were right, but because of how uncomfortable visibility made people feel. There are regional perfumes everywhere, cultural brands all around us. But when I chose to name mine in my language, it became controversial. And that told me everything I needed to know. So I stood firm. I would rather be misunderstood than diluted. One of my students who had purchased my perfume without knowing I was the founder told me how much she loved the product and how her partner couldn't stop going on and on about how culturally rich the product felt. She sent me videos, she sent me reviews. She had no idea she was praising my work to my face, and that meant more to me than any onstage applause, because it wasn't just about me. It was about the product standing on its own, about identity resonating without explanation. So you see, I might not have grown up with any scent memory, but I have gone out of my way to create one, not just for myself, for anyone who ever needed recognition in unfamiliar air. My name is GIFTEEXOTIC, and this is what identity smells like.